Beauty is in the eye of the beholder, but sometimes it needs some help. Skin can be tricky, but here's what works for me to get great, clear skin. And who knows, it might just be what you need. First, I start with an oil cleanse. Get rid of grime, pollution, the makeup on your face, and just really cleanse the skin. I do this twice. Once to cleanse the surface, and a second time to cleanse the skin to get right into those pores. Using a cotton pad or a muslin cloth, I wet this and then wipe my face with it. This also acts as a daily mild exfoliation. And then we steam. I just use a pot on the stove. Just a few minutes is enough. Then I use The Ordinary products to add in moisture to repair my skin. I use 3 in the morning and 3 at night, taking just 3 drops of each onto my face. I start with amino acids to repair my skin. With B5, it provides a barrier support and hydration to the skin in a non-greasy formula. Then I layer on one of the vitamin C or the lactic acid for my nighttime routine in the same way. You know, for scarring and skin cell turnover. Finish with another hydrating serum, squalene. Then we have a body regime once a week and makeup regime. So tell me if you want to see those in more detail using the comment section below, and I'll make a video on that as well. If you haven't already subscribed, then subscribe to my channel by hitting the red button below this video. I make new videos every single week, so follow along. I'll see you again next week. Bye!